everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So recently on TikTok, I had a video go slightly viral, which I will show you the original video that I got this idea from in a second. And a nail tech took a stamper and loose glitter and stamped the loose glitter into the tacky layer of the gel polish. So I had so many people asking me questions on how I did everything. So here is one of the looks I'm going to show you. You can see how nice that loose glitter stamps in there. So I'm going to show you everything from start to finish on how we accomplished this look right over here.
Okay, I can't believe it took me this long to figure out this hack. Roll your jelly stamper into the loose glitter and then put it on the dispersion layer of your gel polish. Trust me on this, save for later.
The items that we're going to need for this nail hack are glitter, and whatever glitter you're using, make sure you have a coordinating color underneath. You're also going to need a top coat. Matte or shiny is completely up to you. You're going to need a stamper. This is from Clear Jelly Stamper. You can see it's well loved, but this one I use for any of my chrome powders and my pigments. You can see that the top isn't as 100% shiny and it's a little bit dull, so I'm going to use this for the glitter. And to clean your stamper, you're going to need either the from Clear Jelly Stamper, the sticky stamping pads, which is what I like to use, or you can use a lint roller. Either one will work fine. So first up, what you want to do is you're going to take your gel polish and do 1 or 2 coats of gel polish on your nail, depending on how pigmented the gel polish is. That is one nice coverage. I think I'm gonna do just 1 coverage. I'm gonna pop this in the lamp and I'm going to cure this according to manufacturer instructions. The glitter I'm using is from Wildflowers and it is in the color Rosy. It is a nice, bright, not so quite neon as the gel polish, but it has a nice holographic tint to it. Now I'm gonna dip my stamper into the loose glitter tray. Once the gel polish is done cured, it's going to have a tacky layer to it, or as what we call an inhibition layer. So you're going to take the glitter that's on the stamper and you're literally going to stamp the glitter right into that tacky layer of the gel polish. And if you miss any sections, just fill the gaps in like so. And when you're done, now you have a nice glittered nail without worrying about any mess. You can see how nice and flat the glitter is on the nail. But I know I had a bunch of people asking me, how is it with putting the top coat on? So with a gloved finger, if I were to brush the rest of it off, I don't have a lot of fallout. So I'm gonna take my top coat, it. Freaking amazing. And the coverage with doing this little trick is makes it so much easier. I'm gonna put the top coat on, and you can see with the top coat, not that much glitter came off into the brush. Now, when you want to clean the glitter off of the stamper, same way when you clean the chrome off your stamper, just use these sticky stamping pads or a lint roller, and everything comes off this way. So the next one, I have a black gel polish from On Vogue, and I have this from Wildflowers and it is called Static. You can see that this is more of a medium-sized glitter. Now we're gonna go in and we're gonna see how well this transfers. This is more of like a medium with some fine specks. We're gonna see how well this transfers. Actually, that didn't work that bad. Let's see if there's any fallout once I tap it. There's a tiny bit of fallout, but for the most part, that actually did stick very well. There's a couple pieces that are sticking up, and since I'm wearing a glove, I could just make sure I can brush the rest off. But for the most part, that actually still worked with this size glitter, and you can see it has a nice, good coverage. So let's see how well it works when I put the top coat on. And the top coat is doing good. There's literally maybe like 1 or 2 pieces of glitter that are stuck to the top coat. Okay. That is what it looks like when it's done. So let's give this a cure. We're gonna try this experiment one last time, and we're gonna go even bigger. This glitter is from Moonflare. It's a chameleon glitter called Northern Lights, and this is a really super chunky glitter. So let's see how well it works with a super chunky glitter. And the base color I'm using is Oasis from En Vogue. Okay, so let's pop this on and let's see how well this one works. Okay, so this kind of sort of worked. So this one you can tell it didn't really work that well, and if you're looking for full coverage with a glitter this size, this would be better to encapsulate. So if you look at the other two that we did for a comparison, okay, we did a fine glitter, more of a medium size glitter, and we did a really big chunky glitter with this experiment. And I will say definitely if you have any fine or extra fine glitter, it's definitely going to be work 100%. Medium size, it'll still work, but anything like super chunky, doing this little hack with the stamper and the gel polish won't really work that well, so it still encapsulate something this size. I hope this video helped of me breaking everything down from start to finish. If anyone has any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to know all the products I use, it's always going to be listed in the description box. Hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.